you are watching Top 10 and welcome back to another episode. In this video, we will talk about UFC champ Khabib the Eagle Nurmagomedov. Did you know the mixed martial arts star from Dagestan knows 6 languages? Stay tuned to find out what other surprises does Khabib has up his sleeves. The champion has already gone down in history as one of the world's greatest fighters. He has yet to be defeated, and these days practically everything is known about him. But there are a few interesting facts that you may be unaware of. So before we move on, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and do press the bell icon to get notifications about our upcoming videos. Number 10. Khabib used to be a fan of Conor McGregor. Nowadays, Khabib and the Irish fighter are sworn enemies. Their feud has been going on for several years now, and their fans are still trying to work out who started it first. But this has not always been the case. In 2014, Conor McGregor was a rising UFC star, actively promoted by his managers. At the time, many fell under the Irishman's charm, including Khabib, who had already become popular himself. They met through Twitter. Sportswear brand Dethrone was promoting a new t-shirt in which the Irishman was to fight in and asked who else needed one. "I like this t-shirt, I need it," Khabib commented. "My man Khabib," McGregor responded straight away in his own comment. They agreed to meet up in person so that McGregor could give Khabib the t-shirt and they could train together. Then photographs of them together appeared, with Conor McGregor after his incredible victory. "He is a dangerous guy," Khabib wrote in captions to the photo. There are different versions of how their friendship ended. One of them is that one day, journalists asked Conor how his friend Khabib was doing. The Irishman replied, "My friend Khabib, there are no friends in this business." They say Nurmagomedov noted these words. Number 9. Khabib almost became a bouncer in a nightclub. The idea of working as a security guard came to the fighter from Dagestan after 2 bad injuries in a row. In 2014, he suffered torn cruciate ligaments in his knee, and a year later, in the run-up to a scheduled fight with Tony Ferguson, he broke a rib. Nurmagomedov wanted to end his career, and in order to continue providing for himself and his family, as he was married at the time, he was already considering a bouncer job to earn money. His father persuaded him against the move and insisted that he would provide for his son. "Your job is to eat well and go to the gym," Abdul Manaf Nurmagomedov said. "I told Khabib at the time that it took us such a long time to get this far, so he should not give up so quickly. He returned to the mat and started to sweat his guts out. And he never stopped," recalls Khabib's father. Number 8. When he was a child, Khabib always lost. Khabib literally grew up on the mat. He started training at the age of 5. The boy persuaded all types of combat sports: Greco-Roman wrestling, Sambo, hand-to-hand combat, pankration, grappling, and jiu-jitsu. His father entered him in every possible competition, but the boy, as a rule, never won first prize, and then severe fatigue took its toll. At the age of 13 and 14, Khabib was winning 5th or 6th place at the Republic's competitions. When he was 16, the number of martial arts he was engaged in went down to 3, and it was then he started winning prizes. It was in 2006 that he had his first taste of victory and started working harder. And already in 2008, every experienced mixed martial arts fighter feared fighting him, says his father. Khabib's first mixed martial arts fight was against Vusal Bayramov from Azerbaijan 2008. Number 7. Khabib is an economist and knows 6 languages. Khabib received a secondary vocational education. He graduated from the Makhachkala Finance and Economics College. Now, the 31-year-old athlete is getting a higher education. He is a 4th-year student at the Plekhanov University of Economics. In addition, Khabib speaks 5 languages: Khomek, as he has Khomek relatives, his native Avar, Russian, Turkish, and English. He can also read Arabic but is too shy to speak it yet, according to his father. Number 6. Khabib has the most controversial manager in UFC history. His name is Ali Abdulaziz, and his reputation in mixed martial arts has been balancing on the edge for years. The Egyptian-born Ali has an incredible background. He once crossed the US border using a fake passport and had to face trial, but was acquitted, having lied about the death of his mother. Also in 2019, Ali went on to trial for 2 punch-up in Las Vegas. McGregor also did not hesitate to once remind everyone that Ali had a son in Colorado who had never received any financial support from him. Khabib met the promoter in 2014 and it was Abdulaziz who helped him overcome his personal crisis and organize proper medical treatment. Since then, Khabib's career has been on the up and up. He describes Ali as a brother and often posts photos of them together on social media. Khabib can very quickly put on and shed weight. Between fights, Khabib puts on a lot of excess weight and each time he has to shed it extremely quickly. Once, he did so twice in a matter of 3.5 months and in total it was over 35 kilos. On average, after just 2 weeks of strength training, he gains about 20 kilos. Number 4. Khabib's wife is his relative. Not much is known about the UFC champion's wife. Khabib carefully protects his personal life from publicity. Apart from his family, close relatives and friends, no one has ever seen her face. It is known, however, that her name is Patimet and her surname at birth was the same as Khabib's, Nurmagomedova. Patimet and Khabib come from the same village Sildi and are distant relatives. Patimet was Khabib's first love and they sat at the same desk at school, admittedly for just a year. Then Khabib's family moved away. He returned to his native village and proposed to her when he became famous in 2013. Number 3. Strong influence over the UFC. The only reason that the UFC struck a deal with Abu Dhabi is because of Khabib. As well as that, the only reason Khabib's UFC 242 press conference with Dustin Poirier took place in London was that the Russian was already in the English capital and felt like it was just more practical. He has got the UFC on lockdown. Number 2. He has got good striking. While his striking may be a little bit more unconventional than most elite MMA fighters, nobody can deny that Khabib is capable of causing problems with his hands and elbows. His ground and pound is incredibly impressive, and just look at the way in which he was able to drop Conor McGregor. Number 1. Ferguson could be his kryptonite. The fight has been close to happening on 4 other occasions. But now it finally seems like Khabib Nurmagomedov and Tony Ferguson are going to square off for the UFC Lightweight Championship. Given El Cucuy style, it seems almost obvious to suggest that he will be Khabib's biggest challenge yet in MMA. So these were all the facts that we could tell you about yours and ours favorite UFC champion Khabib. If you find this video interesting, you can appreciate us by clicking the like and subscribe buttons below.